This is the AI News Flash for May 17th, 7 p.m. UTC. First up, Microsoft AI Chief Suleyman officially predicts that all white-collar work will be automated by AI within 18 months, sending shockwaves through the global business community. According to Fortune's exclusive interview, Suleyman cited the rapid evolution of AI agent technology and the full-scale enterprise AI implementation as drivers, declaring that the vast majority of knowledge work will reach AI-replaceable levels within 18 months. Coding, document creation, data analysis, customer service, HR operations, financial analysis, legal document review, and consulting work are all included. This extremely specific and short-term prediction reflects the rapid adoption of Microsoft Copilot, OpenAI ChatGPT, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, and agentic AI platforms, with over 80% of Fortune 500 companies now deploying AI agents in production. With AI-related layoffs exceeding 156,000 cumulatively, Block 4,000, Salesforce 4,000, HSBC 20,000, Morgan Stanley 2,500, and white-collar employment structural collapse becoming reality. This official prediction from an AI leader is a critical signal directly tied to the largest economic issue of the 2026 midterm elections. Gen Z's 60% shift to skilled trades signals fundamental labor market restructuring. Next, French advertising giant Publicis officially announced its $2.5 billion all-cash acquisition of data connectivity leader LiveRamp, escalating the battle for AI-driven advertising market supremacy. According to BeatV's detailed report, the LiveRamp acquisition gives Publicis ownership of one of the world's largest identity resolution platforms, establishing an independent position to compete with Google, Meta, Amazon, and The Trade Desk across AI ad targeting, data clean rooms, retail media networks, and connected TV advertising. With AI advertising spend surging 63% year over year to $57 billion, Google Performance Max Meta Advantage Plus, and generative AI ad, creative automation accelerating industry-wide AI-native transformation. This represents a strategic counterstrike to the structural crisis facing traditional ad agencies being eroded by AI platforms. This historic deal, the largest M&A in media and marketing for 2026, marks a decisive moment for traditional ad agency giants WPP, Omnicom, IPG, and Havas as they race to transform for the AI era. Third, at the University of Arizona commencement ceremony, former Google CEO Eric Schmidt was met with widespread booing during his pro-AI speech, marking a decisive turning point in young generation backlash against AI that drew nationwide attention. According to The Verge's detailed coverage, Schmidt's commencement address strongly advocated AI career adoption, AI entrepreneurship, and optimistic AI-era career strategies, but massive booing from graduates made it difficult to continue the speech. This reflected new graduates' direct anxiety over rapid AI elimination of entry-level positions. Goldman Sachs predicting 300 million jobs at AI automation risk globally, AI-related layoffs exceeding 156,000, and Gen Z's 60% shift towards skilled trades accelerating college enrollment decline reveal the structural confrontation between AI promoting elites and younger generations becoming decisively visible. Following similar incidents at University of Central Florida, AI criticism speeches at Northwestern, Columbia Journalism Review, reports on AI slop backlash, and graduate employment difficulties, this symbolizes the sharp generational divide between AI advocates and skeptics, directly connected to the 2026 midterm election's largest AI employment policy battle. Fourth, Micron Technology simultaneously launched the world's largest capacity 256 GB DDR5 memory and 245 TB AI data center SSD, achieving a critical milestone symbolizing the full-scale arrival of the AI memory supercycle. According to Simply Wall Street's detailed analysis, the Micron 6600 series Ion SSD achieves the industry's largest 245 TB capacity, dramatically improving AI hyperscale data center storage density and addressing massive storage demand for AI inference workloads, requiring huge context windows, vector databases, model weights, and checkpoints. The hyperscaler four-firm $725 billion 2026 capital expenditure boom, exploding demand for massive storage based on AI inference workloads, HBM4 high bandwidth memory sold out for 2026, and intensifying memory supply competition for NVIDIA Vera Rubin GPUs solidified Micron's position as a core player benefiting from the AI semiconductor supercycle. With Micron stock up significantly year to date, Samsung Electronics crossing the $1 trillion market cap threshold, and SK Hynix accelerating HBM4 mass production, this critical development in the AI memory supremacy battle positions Micron as a top beneficiary in institutional investors' AI semiconductor allocation themes. Finally, Apple's significantly revamped Siri will reportedly feature auto-deleting chats, marking Apple's bold differentiation strategy centered on privacy-first principles, as reported by The Verge. According to the detailed report, the new Siri will incorporate functionality to automatically delete conversation history with users, clarifying a design philosophy that minimizes data collection. This stands in direct opposition to competing AI assistants' persistent data retention approaches, ChatGPT memory features, Google Gemini conversation history, Microsoft Copilot memory capabilities. Ahead of the official announcement at WWDC 2026 on June 8th, the full picture is expected to emerge for Apple Intelligence, the Siri revamp, the Google 1.2 trillion parameter Gemini integration partnership, private cloud compute encrypted processing, structural prevention of third-party AI model data leaks, and multi-layered defense architecture. Amid Meta AI data collection debates, ChatGPT memory feature privacy concerns, and a string of data breach incidents in the generative AI industry, Apple's strategic bet to position privacy first as the differentiator for the AI era will be the most important competitive axis in the consumer AI market for the second half of 2026. That's all for this AI news flash.